Hey YouTube, it is 6 a.m. It is on Father's Day 2020, and we're being really quiet because I don't want to like wake up all the campers around us, obviously. And anyway, so we are headed out to Rausch Creek for the Rausch Creek Father's Day ride that is being hosted by Off-Road Consulting. They do the park's monthly rides and everything, and it'll be just green stuff. So anyway, we will see you guys up there, and please like and subscribe. Subscribers really help the channel out.
If they end up being short a tail gunner, we may throw you in.
Sure, okay, yeah.
All right, thanks.
Yep.
Pull up tight, please.
Hey YouTube, we are at Rausch Creek. Today is Father's Day 2020. This is Off-Road Consulting guided ride. I think it's all greens, and then like a training ride today too. You can see the Jeeps behind me. Everybody's all getting set up to go out, and you're gonna see the Lvly trail footage. I have no idea where we're going. I have no idea if we're gonna do one of the Badge of Honor ones. I know one of the Badge of Honors is green. Maybe we'll do it, maybe not. I think that they kind of avoid that trail actually because it's usually pretty busy, and you know, we're more about like mileage than worrying about like if we do the Badge of Honor trail, because I know that one of my subs actually asked me about it, if we were doing Badge of Honor today. The other Badge of Honors, one of them is blue, the other one is red. I'm pretty sure we're not going to do a blue or a red on a green ride, but I'm sure that we could check into them if we really like felt like kind of scamming the system a little bit. So anyway, we're here, and I guess I'll run around and show you the Jeeps, and then you know, you're going to get to see where we go on the trail. So thanks, and please, you know, like and subscribe. Yeah, a Yoda. Look at that Yoda. 2 Yodas, wow. It's like a Yoda convention. The original Jeep, Eugene. Wow, look at that flexing out. That's some pretty big suspension. I cannot walk in these. I'm gonna have to put my cowboy boots on. Look at that. It fits behind the winch. That's amazing. I would have never thought that would have fit behind the winch. Wow. Look at the tires. Big tires. 37s? Yeah, nice. CW Lux? Hey, CW Lux.
Good to see you.
Look at that lift. Look how high up those guys are.
So what you want to do is unscrew it when it starts to air down. You don't want to unscrew it all the way.
Yay, another gladiator.
Hey, bud.
Hey. Sport.
Where's
Kimberly?
Corgi?
Oh, she's back there.
Where is Kimberly?
Oh, she's back there like Hey YouTube, we just did the X5 trail. It is a green trail. Obviously, it's a green trail. I had a bunch of little kind of rocks that are the size of basketballs, kind of like on the trail, but they were like really like far apart. You could just drive around them or whatever. But yeah, it was like kind of a flat trail with a couple off camber little turns, and then some basketball-sized rocks. Some smaller ones too, but there were a couple that were that size. And like I said, you could just turn your wheel a little bit and navigate around them. Not too terribly hard at all, but good, nice little warm-up trail if you want to do a green trail. It is probably similar to like Flagpole Knob in difficulty, or pretty much anything in Virginia other than Potts. So anyway, we will see you guys around. Please like and subscribe.